How to record a Google Meet video call. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So I'll show you how you can record your video call in Google Meet. For this, you'll need a third-party app. So after you've joined the Google Meet, you can go to the Microsoft Web Store, and here you'll need to search for an app called ShareX. So it helps you easily record the video calls with audio as well. So search for ShareX, and then this one is the app, and you just need to install it. So I've already installed it, so I'll just open it and show you how to use it. Now, what you need to do is tap on capture on the top left, and there you'll see screen recording option. Tap on it, and then now choose the area where you want to record the screen. So I'll choose the whole screen, and now I'll go to my Google Meet and it'll start recording. Now, to stop the recording, you'll have to go to the capture again and then tap on screen recording again. And there you go, your file has been saved here. Now you can just copy it and then share it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.